Alright, y'all, so get into this nude lip and recreate it with me. So first, we're going to start off with your preferred brown dark liner of choice. Here, I'm actually not even using a lip liner. This is NYX's brown eyeliner. To me, it's a really good dupe for MAC's Chestnut. I'm just loving it so far. Like, definitely should try it if you haven't. In here, I'm blending it out with a brush. I don't do this step too often, but I had time this day. I just really wanted to soften the liner up. It's a really fun way to blend out your liner if you ever have a little extra time on your hands. Just softening it as much as possible before going in with the lip gloss. Literally, not missing the spot. Like, I was not playing. And then going in with your nude gloss of choice. This is Amore Beauty's Bare It All. It's not available yet. It will be during our relaunch. We're looking at the end of this year, early next year, so keep your eye out on that. But just going in, applying your gloss as usual, making sure you don't overline your lip liner. You don't want to take away from the look. Nothing too difficult that you can't handle. So just filling all of that in, and that's pretty much all it takes to recreate a cute little nude lip like this. Boom, there you have it.